We're at the Security Event 2022. I'm Mark at the Thomas Jack's stand. Now, as you know, we're best known for night vision and thermal imaging systems, but we're actually introducing a number of new products to the security market for the first time today. We've got the Vosker range of off-grid wireless security cameras. So these come with a SIM card to allow a totally wireless security system. So anything that activates the sensor will trigger the camera and send an alert to a mobile phone. In the case that you already have a traditional trail or security camera, this box manufactured by Vosker's sister company Spypoint, this will actually allow conversion of any existing camera to a cellular camera. So this will plug into the camera and wirelessly transmit images to your mobile phone via the app. We've also got a range of night vision and thermal imaging cameras. We've got the totally unique colour Sionyx night vision cameras, perfect for any kind of manned security and patrol. We've got a range of products from Guide, including this, the TD210, which is a brand new £599 retail thermal monocular with 400 metres man-sized detection capability. Really nice compact unit. We've got the industry-leading Pulsar range of thermal imagers. This particular model is a Helion 2 XP50 Pro, 1800 metres man-sized detection and absolutely superb image quality. And very exciting for the show, right here, this is the Saga drone, available with a range of payloads, including optical cameras, but it's also available with a thermal camera. So this can be a fully thermal drone for any overhead perimeter search or land observation. Last but not least, we're introducing to the market today the Muvi body-worn camera. This has got full night vision mode. This is just a small selection of what we do, so if you're interested in seeing more, please come to the stand. We'd be happy to show you through the products, and I'm sure you'll see something you like. Thanks very much.